Hi, I'm Chad Spate with Chad's Design Build. Welcome to a screen porch addition that we built on the near west side of Madison in 2020. So the homeowners wanted a retreat that was out in the yard but safe from the mosquitoes, and they love it. You can see that we've integrated this space with a stucco home and a lot going on with the roof lines. Very rustic. They wanted kind of a cabin retreat. You can see they got the camping chairs out here, which is very intentional. They want a really kind of homey, rustic feeling, and they're loving it. Okay, so now we're down in the lower level, which was actually our first project completed in this home back in 2018. This was an unfinished basement. It had less headroom than it currently has, and it was a very wet lower level. So we did a lot of things to completely transform it. It is now a very comfortable living space, kind of a retreat. We have this area here where guests could stay, and we have the pocket doors to be able to close this off here. And then we have basically the rec room where the kids hang out and watch television or play ping pong. It's kind of a cozy retreat. I'll take you through here to the bathroom laundry, which is really, I think, the highlight of the space as far as improvement, because they have a much more functional laundry area and a nice 3/4 bath that we added. Features like the hideaway ironing board here. There's also a additional curtain rod for drying of clothing here in the shower to reduce their energy bill. And just a very functional space. And I will take the opportunity to show you the mechanical room, because there are a number of features here we can show off. You might remember back in September of 2018, we had a torrential rainstorm that dumped about 8 inches of rain in this neighborhood, and we finished this project the day before that storm. So we found out that the systems we put in work quite well. There's a sump with a battery backup down here hidden behind the furnace. That's all new. And then I can show you here, if you turn around right below your feet, we'll focus in here on the floor, and you can see we have this integrated system here that lifts the floor up off of the ground, and that allows, should there be any water infiltration under the foundation or through the walls, it's going to flow into this space and go to a floor drain, keeping all the finished surfaces dry. The last thing that I'll point out is the stairway, which was here originally. It wasn't possible to improve it and make it any safer, so other than, of course, putting in a good handrail here and doing everything that we could to reduce obstructions and essentially give it better headroom, and that we did. But we had to keep it as it was because of the compact design of the home.
Okay, I'm going to start with the end result of the two projects. One downstairs where I'm seated now, that Chad's Design Build did for us, and the other porch upstairs, which you've seen on video. And I'm starting with the results because there's a really great story associated with this. After Chad's finished our basement, we here in Madison had an historic 7-inch rainfall. And the basement, there wasn't a drop of water anywhere except in the sink, toilet, and bathtub or shower. So we knew that the engineering behind it was fantastic, but we also loved all of the design elements. So the next day we started planning the porch project. So that's how happy we were with the results. And the reason for those results is because first and foremost, the team from Chad on down are all fantastic at what they do, and the entire operation is also run like a Swiss watch. And finally, I would emphasize how great communicators all of them are. So we've loved working with them, and we're all already dreaming of Project 3.
So I want to thank you for coming out to our virtual project tour today. And if you are interested in renovating, improving, or adding on to your home to do something similar to what you've seen here today, I just want to mention that at Chad's Design Build, we have a pretty careful process. And this client started working with us in 2017 to plan for this 2018 basement remodel. And the day after it was completed, they called us up and said, we want to start planning for that porch addition. So it does take time to do things thoughtfully and do them well, but we'll be happy to help you with that. So you might want to go to chadsdesignbuild.com to learn more about what we might do for you.
When you need new windows and doors, it can be hard to know where to start. So Marvin starts where you are. If you want to know what makes sense for your home, we can help. If you want to explore styles, we'll guide you. If you have questions about energy efficiency or materials, we have answers. Marvin makes replacing your windows and doors easier from start to finish.